Can you find what shines brightly in the daytime sky? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. It's the sun! Great job! You're super smart! Which season has falling, colorful leaves? Time to think. 3, 2, 1. It's autumn! Fantastic! You did it! Which weather brings colorful rainbows? Let's think. 3, 2, 1. The answer is rain! Amazing! Excellent! What falls softly from snowy clouds? Think for a moment. 3, 2, 1. It's snow! Wonderful! You're awesome! What appears after rain and sunshine? Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. It's the rainbow! Hooray! You're super smart! Keep learning!